National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 7:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Roscoe to Rockford Airport to Stillman Valley and moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belvedere around 8:05 p.m., Kirkland around 8:10 p.m., Jeaningston and Genoa around 8:15 p.m., Marengo, Sycamore and Malta around 8:20 p.m., DeKalb and Cortland around 8:25 p.m., Waterman, Maple Park and Hampshire around 8:30 p.m., Huntley, Lake in the Hills and Lakewood around 8:35 p.m., Interstate 90 between mile markers 25 and 60, Interstate 88 between mile markers 81 and 114, Interstate 39 between mile markers 100 and 116. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. A severe